Hi everybody, Tom Brennan. I'm at a project that we're getting ready to turn over to the clients tomorrow. It's a great project for great clients. We started this in the mid part of September, so we're turning it over in about 6.5 weeks or so. It's a whole house remodel with a new kitchen and quite a bit of construction work went on in this project. To give you a point of reference, this is the front area as we come in. And as you see that wide open view into the kitchen, where the kitchen is now was once the dining room. And there was a wall literally right here that we took out to accomplish this open concept. And there was a wall entryway in here that would take us into the dining room, and then we had a kitchen over here. So this, where the refrigerator and the pantry and microwave are, is basically where their kitchen was on that wall. And where we now have wide open communication with the new kitchen is where the back wall of the kitchen was, where the refrigerator and the stove were, I guess you'd say, on the old kitchen. And again, I'll post some pictures online of before and after just to give you an idea of what we were able to accomplish. I really like this kitchen. I really like the selections that this client made. The backsplash tile turned out great. Their black stainless steel appliances are real cool, and that hood becomes a focal point of the kitchen and is in full communication with the living room. We redid all the floors in the house. We did have to install new floors in the old kitchen area, because that was a linoleum of some sort. The old dining room did have hardwood floors, as did the living room, and they're white oak. So we took the white oak through to the new floors, sanded everything down and stained them. This is an old addition that was on the house. We didn't do anything structurally with it. We did change all of the trim, all of the doors, all the base casing and molding, all of the windows in the house, and obviously, created a nice paint job for them. We will post before and after pictures. The bathroom back here, we didn't design, build, or touch, other than to paint the walls for them, just to give it everything a fresh, new coat. This is an existing bedroom that they kind of use as a family room, and we were able to brighten it up with all new trim and new paint. So this is a great house. This is a Georgian that's going to live a lot bigger now. It's going to be much more conducive to entertaining. Their next step is going to be to finish the basement, the lower level, and that'll free up a lot more space for them. These Georgians, they were never meant to house a lot of people in the way they were built, so you really have to get a little bit creative with any type of mid-century home. They were just designed to have choppy rooms and not big open spaces. I think we've accomplished it great on the first floor of this home. Second floor, we did refinish all the stairs. We just put a nice fresh coat of paint on this newel post and railing. Typically, the oak stairs have birch railings, and we try to stain them the same color. They never really turn out well, because the birch doesn't have the same grain pattern, nor does it have, the stain doesn't look the same color when it's on there. We did a gut remodel of their bathroom. We did take it down to subfloor and studs. We were able to frame in a wall that still allowed us to put a full-size bathtub in there, but now we got a full 4-inch wall that we were able to insulate, so we get a little more insulated quality into the room. We haven't hung the mirrors yet, but as you can see, a very basic but well done bathroom. We picked a subway tile and had it done in a herringbone pattern for the wall. Flooring is a black hexagon with white grout. I think their taste again was really good here, and we were happy to provide it. This is the spare bedroom. Again, we refinished all the floors on the second floor as well. We pulled up carpet, and these floors were in great shape. We really only had to sand them and stain them. So that was a real big plus for the homeowners. Again, all new trim, all new windows. Here's kind of a cool thing we did in this room. This is the bedroom, and it's big. These Georgians have one big bedroom and one smaller bedroom on the second floor. And as you can see, it's about a 18-foot long bedroom. This was where the closet ended before, over the stairs. There was nowhere near enough closet space. So we framed in a master closet. It's actually a walk-in, and they'll have California Closet or some shelving provider come out and do a custom closet interior for them. That's not something we typically get involved in. But again, refinished all the floors in beautiful dark walnut, white oak with dark walnut and 3 coats of polyurethane. It's going to make any floor look great. People are surprised when they see these jobs on our resume or on our repertoire. I love doing these jobs. I love being able to really transform a house in about 6 or 7 weeks. There wasn't a day that went by that somebody wasn't working here diligently. I like seeing our design come to life and how dramatic the impact is to how the people are going to move in. Just seeing these people come home to see their house. They haven't really been here a lot during construction. They did move out. We'd stop by once a week for progress, and every week there was progress. And when I just walked them through it last night to generate a punch list, or 2 nights ago, they were over the moon. And so it's really very satisfying to do these size projects. And we'd love to see what we can do for you. Thanks, everybody. Well, I'll post some before and after pictures.